In standard video conferencing, users are usually shown from the perspective of a single camera. This allows them to see one another, but it's still quite different from a face-to-face encounter. A reason for that is that many of the visual cues of gaze and head rotation are lost, so it's hard to tell who are they currently looking at, who's paying attention, and who would like to speak next. In this work, we introduce gazing heads, a video conferencing concept that uses synthesized head rotations to add gaze awareness. While we expect that computer vision methods are soon able to synthesize head rotations from a single camera, we built 4 workstations simulating the experience using several of them. Each workstation is equipped with an eye tracker and 7 cameras. 2 cameras capture the left side of the user, 3 cameras above the screen capture direct eye contact and small head rotations, and 2 cameras capture the right side of the user. Based on where the user is currently gazing, every partner receives a different camera view. The perspectives are chosen that the illusion is created that the user had just turned to the person he's currently gazing at. Take this example. This user is currently gazing at his communication partner to the right. From her perspective, we use the frontal camera to capture direct eye contact. Note the smiling and head nodding. The third communication partner sees the user gazing at her from a different perspective, as he's located directly across of him. The fourth communication partner sees the same gaze from yet another perspective. We wanted to evaluate if synthesizing head rotations this way is effective in conveying users' gaze and attention. We also wanted to understand how gazing heads influences users' video conferencing experience. We conducted a user study with 20 groups of 4 people. Every group used the gazing head simulation for a group discussion about a controversial topic.
En momentos extremos como ahora recurren al suicidio, o sea, últimamente las estadísticas de suicidio han subido, se han disparado.
They also used gazing heads to play a survival game where they needed to agree on items to take with them onto a remote island.
A ver, no sé, yo entre los dos iría por lo de la malaria, pero porque estudiar parasitología y bueno, no sé.
The same participants also used a baseline system, very similar to common video conferencing solutions. Here, users were shown from a single perspective without any rotations and were placed on top of a virtual background. They also used this system for a group discussion and playing the game. After using each system, participants filled in a questionnaire rating several aspects of their experience. Finally, at the end of the experiment, participants either chose the baseline or gazing head system to be interviewed about their experience.
I mean, you can see that when they are looking at you, you can see when they move their heads, when they're looking around, like, I don't know. I think you can really notice when they are paying attention. And the other one, not really.
From the questionnaires and interviews, we were able to confirm that head rotations made users' gaze and attention perceivable. They also helped participants realize when they were attended to. However, the analysis of voice recordings showed no significant differences in turn-taking behavior between the 2 systems. But the eye-tracking analysis revealed that there was significantly more direct eye contact between the participants when they were using gazing heads. That being said, based on the questionnaires and interviews, we also found that simulated head rotations can be potentially distracting. Overall, participants favored gazing heads for many aspects of their interaction. In particular, they felt more engaged and experienced higher levels of social presence. For more details, please refer to the paper.